And action. Today I will try and make this cube rotate. You might be asking to yourself, well, that's simple. You just, make the current rotation of the transform a new quaternion and stuff. But it doesn't work. You just do transform dot capital rotate, and then you can make your own public vector 3 rotation, and then public float rotation speed, I think. Yeah, so rotation 10 degrees multiplied by rotation speed multiplied by time dot delta time. So 10 degrees would be, it'll constantly rotates of 10 degrees. You can make this any number you want, or you can just make it rotation speed. So yeah, now you got full control. If you want it to rotate on the y-axis, just drag that out to 5. Rotation speed 10. And now let's see. Let's hope this works. Oh, look! Well, yeah, look at that. It's spinning. It's spinning alright. Very, very, very slowly. But yeah, so now you know how to make spinning platforms or whatever the hell you want with rotated cubes or whatever you want. Anyway, so that's one way to do it. If you have a rigid body to this, like for example, rigid body, now let's see what happens. Literally. Yeah. Yeah. Oof. Ow. Yeah, so it's just gonna rotate with physics. Now if I just rotate this that way, you can see it's going to have questionable rotation to it. Now this is the way to do it, with rigid body or without. Now there's another way to do this. Rigid body RE equals get component rigid body dot add torque. Okay, rotation multiplied by rotation speed multiplied by time dot delta time. Oh wait, there's another thing you have to do. So just add a semicolon after rigid body, and then all B dot add torque rotation multiplied by rotation speed. There, that's what you had to do. If you want it to just run smoothly no matter how much frames your computer can draw, multiply by time dot delta time. So then it'll do it smoothly no matter how slow your computer is, I guess. So let's hit play. Oh, there we go. See? It's rotating on the y-axis. And it's gonna rotate on the... yeah. Now, there you go. That's another way to do it. If you have rigid body. If you don't, it'll just give you a... I'll just give you a warning that there's no rigid body to it. And it's just gonna keep on spinning. It doesn't like me on it. Newton's laws of physics will really enjoy this. Ah! With the decal, just floating on the wall. It just keeps kicking me off here. Oh my god. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.